How to fix Mac keyboard not working. 1. Restart your Mac. If your Mac is on, charged, and the trackpad is functioning, restart it by selecting the Apple icon in the top left menu bar, choosing Restart, and confirming by clicking Restart again. To check for software updates, look for available updates for your Mac. Software updates may fix known issues that could be causing the keyboard problem. 3. Uninstall recent software. If the keyboard issue started after installing new software, the app might be the cause. Uninstall it by opening Finder, navigating to Applications, and dragging the app to the trash. Confirm with your passcode or Touch ID if needed. Check keyboard settings. Open System Settings and click on Keyboard. Ensure settings like key repeat rate are correctly configured, e.g., off should not be selected to avoid key press issues. Clean the keyboard. If specific keys aren't working, turn off your Mac, unplug it, and use compressed air to clean the keyboard from different angles to remove debris. 6. Ensure wireless keyboard connectivity. For wireless keyboards, ensure they are properly connected via Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or a dongle. Check that the keyboard is charged and verify that the charging cable, adapter, and power source are functioning correctly.